First of all, we want to express our most sincere greetings, gratitude, and congratulations to the organizers of the Faculty of Information Technology of YRC University in Jakarta, Indonesia, for organizing this great event, the third International Multi-Topic Conference on Engineering and Science. And though of the painful circumstances we are living because of the pandemic in the world, we just hope to God that there are a prompt solution for this problem, for the environment, and for the improvement of the quality of life around the world. The topic to be discussed now deals with business intelligence governance model to improve the quality management system of the academic programs of the university, which is an effort made by researcher professors of the Santiago Antunes de Mayolo National University of the city of Huaraz in Ancash and the Federico Villarreal National University of the city of Lima, both of these universities from our beloved country, Peru. Introduction. Universities and organizations need to have information, which is like the yellow that flows inside a plant, integrating problems, actors, nodal points, norms, and processes in order to generate values to show and shorten the gap between discourses and realities. In a context that demands the intensive use of digital technologies and where business intelligence models allow the transformation of data into information analysis with a generation of knowledge, facilitating decision-making process that allows authorities and managers to improve the quality of the degree programs. In fact, this is the multi-component setting that inspired the development of this research, its publication as a scientific article, and this dissertation. Theoretical framework, governance. It is an approach strategy that involves various social actors based on our original models and seek consensus, and the analytical framework of governance. Business intelligence as data analytics, it's part of the Peruvian regulations. It is a systematic process with intensive use of digital technologies. It transforms data into data analysis for knowledge generation, and it facilitates support for decision making. Legislative Decree number 1412 Digital Government Group. Quality Management System. It's an accreditation model for university degree programs, which seeks to strengthen the capacity for self-regulation and culture of institutional quality through continuous improvement. Methods and materials type and design of the investigation. The research focus is quantitative, the type is experimental, the level predictive, the design quasi-experimental of two non-equivalent groups that you can read through a diagram. And the legend is the following. GE stands for experimental group, GC control group, 1, 2 pre-test, 3, 4 post-test. X goes with the application of the independent variable, governance of business intelligence. Research population and sample. The experimental group is made up of 33 professors from the nursing and midwifery programs, and the control group is made up of 33 professors of the Faculty of Social Sciences, Education and Communication. It is a non-probability sampling of intentional type. For the analysis of the information, documentary measurement instrument was used, which consists of 10 items. A pilot test was applied to 10 teachers of the School of Nursing and Midwifery programs. And for the verification of reliability, it was used the Cronbach alpha. In addition, it was submitted to the judgment of 3 experts. And for the degree of agreement between judges, we used the Kennel's coefficient. And also we used the statistical software IBM SPSS. Normality analysis. The Kolmogorov-Smirnov test was applied for a sample more significant than 30 individuals and to verify that the distribution comes from a normal distribution. For hypothesis validation, the parametric students t-test was applied for two groups with independent samples considering a significance level of 0.05. Processes that add value. Proposed conceptual model. Approach strategy, which allows the incorporation of various social actors and institutions in the construction of original models, based on the consensus between factors such as problems, actors, nodal points, norms, processes, and tools to show and shorten the gap between discourses and realities, counting on the synergic strategic and imperative support of business intelligence, model based on digital technologies, and generating the empowerment of the organization, and in this way, taking advantage and transforming that data into information analysis with a generation of knowledge that facilitates the decision-making process in order to achieve high-performance results in a sustainable way and continue to improve the quality and the competitiveness of the university and of the academic programs. We have this idea graphically in the next slide. The processes that add value are shown in this proposed conceptual model that deals with governance, business intelligence, synthesis, which involves at the same time consensus, digital technologies, and information, and finally, the quality management system. Outlook for the solution. The maturity level of the business intelligence model has 5 levels. We relate it to the levels of management of the university, strategic and tactical, and these with the relevant levels of depth of the quality management system. The acronym in Spanish is SGC, which stands for Sistema de Gestión de la Calidad. As shown in the following graph, business level in the levels strategic and tactical. In the level of analysis, we have dimensions, factors, standards, and some criteria to evaluate. In the level report, we have the results by level of analysis at the end of each academic semester, and it responds to the question, what happened? The analysis level deals with the explanation of the main causes of a phenomenon, and it responds to the question, why did it happen? At the prognosis level, we have the validation of a hypothesis, the validation of what will happen if we change some variables, and it responds to the question, what is likely to happen? In the operational level, we have the almost real-time understanding of what is happening, which responds to the question, what is happening now? And the last one is active storage level, which is about the ability to make automated decisions based on data, trends, and rules, and it responds to the key question, what do I want to happen? Processes that add value technological architecture. It is the design of the conceptual level under a layered framework of several layers, and it is also the first level to focus on the solution, where the organization is represented in a double perspective, substantially in terms of the organization's processes, strategic, tactical, and operational levels, and the application of systems with digital technologies by the responsible actors. The first level is the operative level, which deals with the operational processes that are done in short time, being carried out like a routine, which means it's an activity carried out every day. In the next level, we have the tactical level, which involves the tactical processes that are carried out in medium term, from 1 to 12 months. And the third level goes with the strategic level, which involves the strategic processes which last for long terms, from 3 to 5 years. And this is the level where the processes are planned to reach effectively all the levels. Now we have the business actors by levels of governance inside the university regarding the strategic processes: University Council, Faculty Council, General Direction of University Quality. And they collaborate through the personal computer, and or smartphones, and the actors by levels of governance here are University Council, Faculty Council, Digital Leader. In the next level, going top down are school address, academic department, quality committee, quality audit unit, general office of studies, research unit, university social responsibility unit. The server at this level is the data warehouse. And the actors at this impact result level are business intelligence management committee, system administrator, the database administrator, and the extra transform load of data, the business analyst, the application developer, and the results. And at the operative level, which is the foundation of this pyramid, we have professors and students collaborating and being supported by the servers, which are the database and the online transaction processing level, giving information to the personal computers, smartphones, sensors, network, interface devices like the digital cameras and the digital cards. The actors at the impact result level in this level are the system administrator, the database administrator, the system analyst, the developer analyst, and finally the functional analyst. Solution engineering. The engineering processes for business intelligence related to the required technologies and value-added products over time are shown. In time for each advanced stage, the first is the product that deals with the management tool. The next one is the product which goes with the information analysis. Requirements. Then the product that deals with multidimensional model. Then the product that goes with the business intelligence lab software. And finally, the product that deals with business production software. Now let's read what each number deals with business intelligence. Number 1, project planning. Number 2, system requirements. 3, system design. 4, system construction. 5, system deployment. All this based on protocols in the line red, digital technologies in blue, and programming languages in yellow. Discussion of results. Matney proposes the 4 components of the governance of business intelligence. This research, from the synergy between governance and business intelligence, gets a synthesis that's obtained in terms of consensus between the digital technologies and the information to transform data into information analysis with the generation of knowledge, facilitating the decision-making process in order to improve the quality management system of the university degree programs. Discussion of results. This fact can be evidenced when applying the student's t-test. The p-value is equal to 0.004 and alpha is 0.05. Therefore, the probability obtained from the p-value is less than alpha, the reason why alternative hypothesis is accepted. Alternative hypothesis H1 is the business intelligence government model, which will improve the quality management system of the nursing and the midwifery degree programs. When the alternative hypothesis is accepted, the objective is achieved. And this objective is to improve the quality management system of the degree programs of the university through the business intelligence governance model. This research is going to be used as a model with concrete results for the continuity of the university service. In the 2020 summer term, which has already concluded with favorable results, and it's also currently being used as a model for the next regular academic term, 2021, of the Santiago Antunes de Mayolo National University in the COVID-19 framework of the public health emergency that we're having in Peru. He who lived to serve does not deserve to live. A quote by Mother Teresa. Thank you very much for your attention.